What is the role of algo trading in cryptocurrency boom? So this question we just picked because it has cryptocurrency in it. So so I think cryptocurrency, there is nothing much. So it's a very different ball game. It's there are a few international EPAT participants based in different locations of the world who have been working on the cryptocurrency related project works, and have even been creating systems to trade cryptocurrencies using automation tools, given that some of the exchanges do give API access, cryptocurrency exchanges. So that's there, but I don't think there is any role of algo trading in the boom as such. It's a very different ball game. It's definitely not because of people using algos to buy cryptocurrencies, just that people are buying cryptocurrency. so in whichever way they can, and yeah, it's I think the kind of volatility is very different. So yeah. So to answer the question, probably I don't think there's any role of algo trading as of now in the cryptocurrency boom.